Hi guys, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. Today I want to talk to you about a topic which is really important and all of us can really benefit from it, which is how to boost your brain power and improve your memory. Even if you have fantastic memory, sometimes you might feel that you have a bit of a foggy brain. You're not able to focus, you're not able to really make quick decisions at times, or not able to calculate things as you would normally do. And this can happen to any of us at any given time. So these practices that I'm going to share with you today are definitely helpful for every single one of us. I don't think any one of us can say, I don't need it. Surely we can all afford to be a bit more brainy. All right, so without any delay, let's start with foods which are good for your brain. I always want to start with foods because they are your first medicine. You don't want to jump to supplements and neglect what really fuels your body. What we eat not only affects our body and weight, it also affects our brain's energy, our memory, our ability to focus, and our ability to handle stress. Even though our brain only weighs about 2% of our body weight, it consumes about 20% of the calories we eat in terms of energy. The more nutrients we eat, the better our brain would work. So the brain's health requires a nutrient-rich diet as opposed to a calorie-rich diet. I think I will discuss this topic with you in another video just to clarify this really important point. But let's talk about some of the foods that are really, really good for your brain. The first and foremost, legumes. Legumes like garbanzo beans, lentils, and split peas are a rich source of folic acid. Studies have shown that folic acid can improve verbal and memory performance and may delay onset of Alzheimer's disease. Getting enough folic acid while pregnant is important for fetal brain development, especially in early pregnancy. Lentils are also an excellent source of complex carbohydrates, which help provide a steady supply of energy to the brain throughout the day. They're also rich in fiber, which is essential for our bodies and our health in general. Another thing which is great for our memory is mint. Mint is rich in vitamins A and C, which can boost learning skills and increase brain plasticity and protects against cognitive decline. It helps boost alertness, memory. It really helps relieve stress. Even the aroma of mint and its essential oils are beneficial for brain and boost its function. Another thing that is highly great for your memory in general, highly beneficial, is broccoli. Broccoli is amazing for your overall health, but it is especially great for your brain health and memory. It's packed with powerful plant compounds, including antioxidants. It is also very high in vitamin K, delivering more than 100% of the recommended daily intake in just a cup of serving. This fat-soluble vitamin is essential for forming a type of fat that's densely packed into brain cells. A few studies in older adults have linked a higher vitamin K intake to better memory. Beyond vitamin K, broccoli contains a number of compounds that give it anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which may help protect the brain against cognitive decline and damage. Researchers have also shown that broccoli can help brain heal itself in case of an injury. Another thing that you really want to incorporate in your diet for your overall health, especially your brain health, is fatty fish. When it comes to brain foods, fatty fish is often at the top of the list. This type of fish include salmon, trout, and sardines, which are all rich sources of omega-3 fatty acids. About 60% of our brain is made up of fat, and half of that fat is omega-3 kind. Our brain uses omega-3s to build brain and nerve cells, and these fats are essential for learning and memory as well. Omega-3s have a couple of additional benefits for your brain. For one thing, they may slow age-related mental decline and help ward off Alzheimer's disease. On the flip side, not getting enough omega-3s is linked to learning impairments as well as depression. So if you or your child is experiencing learning difficulties, this is definitely one way to approach that problem, is to include more omega-3s in your diet. Studies have found that people who ate baked or broiled fish regularly had more gray matter in their brains. Gray matter contains most of the nerve cells that control decision making, memory, and emotion. Bottom line, make fatty fish a regular for the sake of your brain. Make it a regular part of your diet. Another thing that you really want to incorporate is turmeric. Turmeric is a deep yellow spice which looks like ginger root and is consumed both fresh or dried in powdered form. It is a key ingredient in curries and has a number of benefits for the brain. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, has been shown to cross the blood-brain barrier, meaning it can directly enter the brain and benefit the cells therein. It is a potent antioxidant and has amazing anti-inflammatory benefits. Curcumin may help improve memory in people with Alzheimer's. It may also help clear the amyloid plaques that are a hallmark of this disease. So people who have already suffered from brain damage can benefit from curcumin. So you can imagine how healthy it must be for healthy young individuals who are not experiencing or who have not experienced any of these problems. Curcumin can also ease depression. It boosts serotonin and dopamine, which both improve mood. One study found curcumin improved depression symptoms just as much as an antidepressant over 6 weeks period. Curcumin also helps new brain cells to grow, and it can help to delay age-related mental decline. Some other amazing foods for your brain health in general are beets, eggs, pumpkin seeds, nuts, berries, especially blueberries, dark leafy green vegetables like kale, arugula, and mustard greens, and of course green tea. If you make these foods a regular part of your diet, you will notice a significant difference in your brain health, in your alertness, in your memory, in just a matter of weeks. There are things you can do besides food which to give your memory an extra boost and be more alert in general. Blood circulation is on top of the charts. The more healthy your blood circulation is, the more blood will flow to your brain, giving it the energy it needs to perform optimally. Exercise is surely the best way to go about that route to achieve that benefit, but there are other things you can do to stimulate blood flow to the brain. Some of the simplest things you can do is get a full body massage and take Epsom salt baths. These things are highly beneficial and relieve the knots in your body and help the blood circulate freely and more fully. Another thing you can do to stimulate brain health, focus, and memory is get cupping done. I will do another video on the benefits of cupping very, very soon, but know that it is a great way to give your brain the power boost it needs. And you want to definitely decrease caffeine intake, especially coffee intake. Try to replace your coffee with green tea or other herbal teas. I will share with you in a bit some teas that are good for your brain health. Now, the next point, I cannot stress that enough. Water, water, water. Your brain needs to be hydrated. I personally have an issue with public bathrooms. If I know I'm going to be out and about the entire day, I'm going to spend the day outside, I stop drinking water. And I notice an immediate difference in my brain performance. Now, your body doesn't become dehydrated just after a day of inadequate amount of water, but it does suffer. Now, imagine if you go day in and day out without enough water in your system. It has drastic effects on your overall health and especially your mental health. I want to take a moment here and clarify that soft drinks, teas, and coffees do not replace water. Your body needs alive water, not dead water. I have done a video on this topic. It is a very important issue, and I hope you will take some time out to listen to that. Now, going back to the teas that I talked about earlier, there are teas you can drink which are good for your brain and your memory. Green tea is good for your overall health and also helps boost your brain. Another tea that I have recommended in some of my previous videos is ginger, turmeric, and lemon tea. It is amazing for you. I will share the recipe with you on Instagram and Twitter, so make sure that you do look it up. White tea is great for brain stimulation as well. There are supplements as well that you can take. Turmeric and garlic supplements are good for enhancing brain performance and boosting memory. It's also good for your heart. Fish oil, resveratrol, and ginkgo biloba are some other really good supplements which can enhance brain function and boost your memory. There are adaptogen herbs as well. There are adaptogen herb blends available, which can also help general brain health and your overall health. Now, of course, you want to take these supplements and herbs under the guidance of a natural healthcare provider to make sure you get the proper dosage your body needs and you're taking the right herbs for your body type. But always start with the nutrition first. Eat the right kind of food, drink adequate amounts of water, drink healthy teas, as I mentioned, and then look into the supplements. This is it for this video. Please like and share the video, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.